Greetings, family. This is Leah Sam, the Naturally You Coach, and today I'm going to be talking about chia seeds. Now, chia seeds is another one of the foods that I recommend to a lot of my clients, especially clients who are on a plant-based diet and who I feel may be deficient in healthy fats. I always recommend. I religiously make smoothies every morning because I think smoothies are a brilliant way to just get a lot of nutrients into you first thing in the morning in an easy to digest way. And you may have noticed that I have a lot of a lot to say about digestion. So getting things into your body in the most digestible way is something that I think is really pivotal when it comes to health, because you can be eating great food and taking great supplements, but if your digestion is pants, then you're not going to be getting any of the nutrients of what you're spending all your money on and putting your time into creating. So smoothies is a good way to do that. And as well as sea moss gel, chia seeds is soaked chia seeds specifically is something I recommend a lot. So I understand that people can kind of feel that it's quite labor intensive to have to soak chia seeds to put into their smoothies. But what I do is I'm a big fan of batching because I feel it takes a lot of the time and stress away from food preparation. So if you're making things that do require some level of preparation, but you're going to be using them frequently, I always recommend you make big batches of them. So if you are going to be having soup, you make more than one portion of soup, so you're not having to make a new batch of soups from scratch every single day. And the same thing comes with soaked foods. Now, not all soaked foods will last once they're soaked, but chia seeds is really good. It will last. So what I will always do when I buy a bag of chia seeds, I've got this big glass jar. I'm a fan of saving jars as well. So this is like an olive jar. It's a big old olive jar. So what I do when I get the chia seeds, I will actually just pour them all into a jar, because someone was saying, oh, you know, one of the reasons I haven't been making the smoothies is because I keep on forgetting to soak the chia seeds every night. And I'm like, why are you soaking chia seeds every night for, sis? And she goes, because I need to have them in the smoothies. I said, just soak them all one time, innit, love? So this is what we do. We pour all the chia seeds into a big glass jar. Now, what you want to basically aim for is to soak your chia seeds in roughly 4 times the amount of water as chia seeds. So I've worked out that this jar basically does that. So you just put the chia seeds in the jar, give it a good mix, and let it sit. And then very soon, this will all congeal into a gel because the seeds absorb the water really quickly. And soaking seeds and grains and nuts and pulses and beans and those types of foods is a brilliant way to make the nutrients in them more easy to digest, because you're soaking off some of the nutrients or anti-nutrients that can block your body being able to absorb them, so you get more nutrients from them. So chia seeds is no different. So you basically just do this. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the soaking process to be complete. So obviously you just need to do this once. And if you're taking 2 tablespoons a day, this will, well, to be honest, we use a lot. So you're gonna have to work out how much that is for you. But once this has solidified, you can see it's already getting a lot thicker as it's mixing around, as it's absorbing that water. It's turning into this jelly. Ugh. Okay, it's a bit gloopy, but yeah, it's turning into this jelly. So again, chia seeds are a brilliant source of omega-3 fatty acids. They've got a great level of protein in them, plant-based protein. They're also really good for bone health, to be honest, because they've got a lot of minerals in them, like phosphorus, calcium, manganese, magnesium, which are all brilliant for our health. But yeah, I do find that the main reason I'm recommending them to clients is because of the omega-3 fatty acid profile and the protein. So it's great for people who are training, who are working out, exercising, and want to get that boost in a plant-based form. So you can see it's really thickens up, really, oh, crumbs, making a right mess here. Sticking it up really quickly. So yeah, we would put, when this is thickened a bit more, we would put kind of roughly that much per person. So that's what I'm saying. I'm using like 8 spoons of this in our smoothie, sorry, on a daily basis. So this jar would actually last about 4 days, to be honest. It's not too bad. And we buy our chia seeds at the moment from Aldi. So it's a really economical way to boost your smoothies with this amazing chia seed, this ancient Peruvian seed, in fact. called chia seeds. And the word chia actually means strength from one of the ancient languages. So, you know, it's always been revered as a superfood and a really brilliant addition to people's diets. So yeah, there we go. That's how you can quickly add some chia seeds to your diet. I look forward to speaking to you again soon, family. Take care and stay healthy.